ha desboronado el cerro Amatina, se ve la polvareda de cómo fue el terrible temblor que hubo acá. Bueno, se escuchó seguramente en toda la provincia, pero acá en Argentina, Campana, parece que fue el epicentro. Miren lo que es.
A powerful earthquake shook southern Argentina on Friday, and it was caught on camera. The 7.4 magnitude quake struck in the Drake Passage about 219 kilometers off the coast of Ushuaia. Tremors were clearly felt across the city, startling residents and shaking buildings. Mobile footage captured landslides and rockfalls reportedly in the Famatina Hills. In response, neighboring Chile issued a tsunami warning for its southern Magallanes region and the Chilean Antarctic territory. President Gabriel Boric posted on social media urging immediate evacuation of the coastline. Over 1,700 people have been moved to higher ground, 1,000 in Puerto Williams, 500 in Puerto Natales, and dozens from Antarctic research bases. Chile's National Disaster Agency, SENAPRED, has declared its highest level of alert, mobilizing all available resources. Here's what Miguel Ortiz, Deputy Director of Emergency Management, had to say during the emergency briefing.